Welcome back everyone, hope you all are fine. So in this video, we are going to make black and golden Spider-Man mask from No Way Home. Don't worry, there aren't going to be any spoilers in this video. But if you haven't watched that movie yet, then you should definitely watch it, as it is the best Spider-Man movie ever. Let's get back to the project. We are also going to add mechanical lenses into it. So instead of making a whole new mask, I have already made one before. And I have made a proper tutorial on it. You can check that video here. Now we are just gonna remove our existing red clothes from our face shell and make a new black and golden one. I have printed this template at 113% scale. Link for the template will be in the description box. Keep template on the black cloth and draw the outline with the help of chalk and then cut the same carefully. Now we are going to use softbox to transfer golden webbing lines on the cloth. For that I have just placed softbox below glass center table and our template and cloth above it. In case if you don't have a softbox, you can use your mobile flashlight or torch. I am using metallic golden glass liner as webbing lines. Now just stitch it as I have shown and then it's ready to go on our face shell. Let's cut the eyes section and then attach lenses to the face shell. You can purchase the Spider-Man mask or many other products like Iron Man helmet from our website. Link will be in the description box. Now, I'm planning of building a retractable Spider-Man web shooter. So subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out that video. Bye.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong?